What's up, Herd? Today is Wednesday, August 21st. My name is Aaron and this is your market update. Let's get on into the Bitcoin charts. Bitcoin is up about 1% today, heading towards resistance at about $60,000. Money flow has curled over, guys, but it does look different on other charts. Got a lot of money flow heading up into the right direction on other coins. This could be the turnaround for the BTC dominance, guys. We'll see what happens. It's coming back up to about 57%, which I do think will be the rollover for this specific metric. But getting back into Bitcoin, I do think we'll hit up against resistance here shortly, maybe come down one more time before we go into the next leg. We only have one more week of August, guys, and I do think we'll head into September with some strength in the crypto markets, as we typically do in September and October of the halving year. Ethereum up 0.25% today, looking similar to Bitcoin. However, whale money flow is starting to come back. Money flow rolled over yesterday, but is coming back into Ethereum, so I'm excited to see what happens there. Even though we've gotten some pretty parabolic money flow, we haven't seen a lot of price action for Ethereum yet, and so I do expect that to grow suddenly, honestly, for Ethereum. BNB down 3%, though it had a great run up to 571 over the last couple of days. This is one of the few tokens that had a nice run from its lows. Bottomed out at 400, guys, and ran up to 570, back down to 550 right now, which is a nice place to jump back up if you're asking me. Money flow is up and to the right as well on this. Very strong money flow, and then it did not curl over like Bitcoin did. Solana, however, is looking like Bitcoin in the money flow, but did not get a pump, guys. A little bit concerned for Solana at the moment, though we do have a lot of resistance here, so it's not surprising. Now let's get into the elephant money ecosystem. We did have a decent sell-off in the after hours last night. It's hard to see this, as this does look like bad actors and whale games to me, guys. If you're following along in the Telegram, we know that there's going to be a large capital injection this afternoon after the Spaces call at 10 a.m. Central Time, and we should see by noon today $1 million is being added to the supercharger, which is the trunk treasury, which will pay 50% APR to futures to keep that healthy. And BT is adding about $100,000 back to Bertha in order to kickstart the futures v11. InvestFest is just a couple of days away, guys, and I do think we'll see a massive capital injection there as well. So hold on to your hats, guys. Don't get shaken out. Try to buy the dip if you've got it. Not financial advice, but do your own research, guys. I think this is going to run strong up and to the right, especially as we head into September. Speaking of Futures v11, we got an update via Medium yesterday from BT. Futures v11 is deployed and fully tested. The Supercharger and Bertha have not been funded yet. I mentioned that earlier. I want the community to take the opportunity to deposit, claim, and understand what the system looks like when we have hit rock bottom. This is also an opportunity to ask questions about any new features. The treasury will be funded in the next 24 hours. It will be interesting to see how the Supercharger and Bertha grow during this time. It is critical that we deposit and use the system gently to recover, else we will fall right back to where we are now. Here is how the system is configured. Next to your available is an optimal reading. It is what you would earn if the system was healthy. And I want to show you that real quick, guys. I have my futures account open here, and this is how much I would be able to compound and or claim if the system was an optimal. Because it is unoptimal right now, I can only compound or claim $32. Getting back to the medium, guys, if folks try to game the system by staying under Bertha's failsafe, they get no personal bonus and we death spiral together. You must row to bring the system back to health. As mentioned before in this video, guys, the trunk supercharger is configured at a payout rate of 50% APR. It will sell its trunk tokens and buy elephant for elephant treasury, meaning that futures will be able to use that elephant properly in order to make its mechanism work. Bertha's claim failsafe is set at 0.5% right now. This means that your available is equal to 0.5% of the elephant treasury or your optimal earned yield, whichever is smaller. Your available impacts claims and compounds. This means that liabilities grow slower when Bertha is not healthy. Much like Solend, when the system is not healthy, it grinds to a halt until it becomes healthier. And again, the Trunk Supercharger and Elephant Treasury will be funded. 1 million Trunk for the Supercharger and 100K worth of Elephant for Bertha to start. All right, thank you, BT, for the update there. Thanks for working hard for the herd in order to make this system healthy and profitable for all of us. Taking a look at Solen real quick, guys, we do have 92% APR on USDC deposits. We are currently at full utilization, meaning that we would love to have some USDC in this pool in order for people to be... We would love to see more USDC in this pool, especially at this exceptional APR of 92% paid out in USDC, guys. And I do think we'll get a lot of takers for this specific investment at InvestFest. With that, thank you so much for watching, guys. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more content just like this. My next video on Friday morning will be coming from the hotel room in Atlanta, likely, or on the floor from InvestFest. Looking forward to that, guys. Hope to see all of you herd there that will be showing up. And to all of the herd, have a great day and God bless.